Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to give you 5 tips to help you inflation-proof your sewing. So let's get started. Now, first of all, let me welcome you back if you are a returning viewer. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Denise, and I write a blog at Sewlimitless.com. I'm also over on social media, basically as Sewlimitless everywhere, and I have this YouTube channel, Sewlimitless. So I have my notes here because I'm going to be reading because I want to make sure I get my points in. But I invite you to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload for my videos. Now, my first tip for you is make those wardrobe essentials. Now, what that means is whatever is an essential item for you, maybe those are the things you want to focus on making rather than purchasing. See what you already have in your wardrobe and sort of fill in those gaps. This could be where you might want to do a little bit of planning as far as wardrobe planning and see what you have and take a little bit of an inventory, then purchase the other things to sort of work around what you're making. So that's my first tip. Second tip, and this is a big one, is to use what you've already got. Now, plan projects around fabric that you've already bought. Work on figuring out what you can do with those that fabric that you've purchased. Now, in one of my videos, one of my quick tip videos I did a while back, I had the project bag, I believe is what I called it, and I'll try to see if I can leave an iCard above somewhere to link to that video. Just a little bit of planning and maybe a little bit of organization to help you so that you're just not wondering what to do. What's the next thing, or what should I do with this fabric? Also in line with that is use those notions. And this is something that we don't always think about, at least I don't. Use those notions that you already have. The third tip is you focus your sewing on those wardrobe builder pieces. And by that, I mean things like, for example, t-shirts or tops. Another thing is jeans or dress pants. Also dresses. A lot of people love to wear dresses and will make those things because it's fun also. And then jackets and blazers, something you can put over a dress or go with the jeans and the pants, whatever the case. The fourth tip is to think outside the box. And by that, you're already a creative person because you're sewing and creating things, whether you're a sewer or knitter or whatever. But use that creativity to make yourself a unique wardrobe that you will actually wear. It'll be uniquely you and uniquely yours. And then my fifth tip for you today is thrift stores. I will look for, and I have found, are interesting buttons. Cut all the buttons off, and I now have buttons that I could use on something like a polo shirt. All kinds of ways and things that you can do to save yourself some money so that you can continue your sewing addiction. Yeah, those are just some ideas that I had that came to mind. My big thing, of course, is to use what I've got, and I will go into more detail, I think. I'll hopefully give you some ideas for what I'm talking about, what you can do in your own sewing area or for yourself to sort of, save yourself some money, but still continue to keep sewing. So that is it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know down below in the comments what it is, what types of things have you all thought about this? Is this a concern for you? Or let me know down in the comments what you do to save yourself some money or whatever. It might be helpful for other people to read those comments as well. But I do thank you all for watching. Like I said, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I thank you all for watching, and that's it. So I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.